In a world that's constantly on the move, the airline industry has been the backbone of global connectivity for decades. But as we find ourselves in the midst of a new era, the once familiar skies are undergoing a remarkable transformation. Welcome to Wings of Change, where we explore the current state of the airline industry and how it's adapting to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving world. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought unprecedented challenges to the airline industry. Airports that were once bustling with activity turned eerily silent, and airlines faced the daunting task of keeping their operations afloat amidst uncertainty. However, adversity often sparks innovation. Airlines quickly adapted to the changing landscape, prioritizing the safety and well-being of their passengers and staff. Technological advancements became the industry's driving force. Contactless check-ins, touchless security screening, and AI-powered solutions now simplify the journey for passengers, reducing wait times and increasing efficiency. Passengers now experience a more seamless journey, with self-check-in kiosks and biometric boarding systems becoming commonplace, providing convenience and peace of mind. Another notable change has been the growing focus on sustainability within the airline industry. Airlines are investing in eco-friendly initiatives, exploring electric and hybrid planes, adopting sustainable fuel alternatives, and implementing energy-efficient practices to reduce their carbon footprint. By embracing sustainable practices, airlines aim to minimize their environmental impact and create a greener future for aviation. The commitment to preserving the beauty of our planet is a driving force behind their actions. As the industry moves forward, it continues to prioritize innovation, resilience, and sustainability. Airlines are constantly adapting to the needs of a changing world, working towards a future where air travel is not only efficient, but also environmentally conscious. So, as you embark on your next journey, whether it's for business or pleasure, remember that behind the scenes, the airline industry is soaring higher, guided by the winds of change. It connects people, cultures, and ideas, bridging the gaps that divide us and fostering a sense of unity. The evolution of the airline industry is an ongoing story, and we're excited to witness how it shapes the future of global travel. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the airline industry's current state.